Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Commission Hotshot free giveaway and also review. I'm going to show you everything there is to know about this new product, and you can actually win a free copy if you want to. I'm going to tell you what to do in the end of this video, but first of all, let me share my screen and let me show you the sales page, the inside of the members area and everything else. Let's jump into it. So as you can see, the sales page will say no paid ads, no website, no email list, just free traffic and easy commissions. So this is my product, this is my case study. As you can see, it says Commission Hotshot. Case study, free step, free buyer traffic formula. I used to make $789.80 in 19 minutes using nothing else but an internet connection. Buyer traffic, passive income, works 24/7. So I actually found out how a free traffic source is powerful. I normally use a bunch of different combinations of free and paid traffic, but for this particular promotion I only used one free traffic source and it actually made me $789.80. and I was surprised, and I was like, I really have to make a case study out of it, add video training and actually add software to it so you can actually see how it's done. So again, $789.80. This is how I made. Essentially, it took me less than an hour to set all of this up. And on the sales page, I talk about essentially how paid traffic is a pain in the butt. I got 6 of my Facebook ad accounts banned. And essentially you have to pay a lot of money for traffic if you want to see real results like this. Okay, Commission Hotshot, that's the name of this new product of mine. And I'm releasing this with Paula Gosal and Ram Ravat. We are Team Black Belt, so this is the new team we created for launching products. This is me bartending, 15 years ago, and obviously, making this kind of money allowed me to travel all around the world, making money and just enjoying my life. So, guys, you can go through all of this in your own time. Obviously, I have some massive proof behind it, and we're gonna have some bonuses. Actually, 8 bonuses you're gonna get. And we always have a 30 days money back guarantee. So that's essentially it. You're gonna have a couple of different prices. Okay, so just for the training you're gonna pay $9.97, and training plus software you're gonna pay $12.97, and we will have an early bird discount, but again, you are here because you want to win a free copy, right? So let me show you the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like. So this is a video training course plus case study. So as you can see, we have the welcome video, case study results, the right offer plus affiliate hack, your online hub, free tools, because I did mention you can use free tools only. You don't have to pay for any online tools and you can still pull this off. Your money magnet, optimization for traffic number 1 and number 2, additional traffic, scaling it up, and what now. So essentially 12 videos, super easy to follow. You can pick this up, implement it, and see results the next day. This is super easy, and I actually even show you how to use other people's content to make your money, because you don't have to create any content if you don't want to. You can obviously, and you can create your branding this way, but you don't want to if you are only starting out. Okay, so we are adding a couple of softwares to it. So you're gonna get a description creator software, which essentially creates product descriptions for you, and these are optimized. And you're also going to get a analyzer, a software analyzer. Okay, so these are the 2 bonuses you're getting in the package, and you're also going to get a free traffic cheat sheet, another course of mine, Facebook Traffic Enigma, which is a W's of the day, a YouTube case study, and actually a third piece of software. And this will actually be a squeeze page creator. Okay, so that will be for the first 997 people only. Okay, so this is what's inside the members area. Super cool strategy. Again, I use this free traffic only, and I didn't use my email list, my website, any paid traffic. I didn't use any of my existing Facebook groups, any of it. Okay, all I used to make $789 was this one free traffic source. Okay. And right now, let me show you all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, $12.97, like we spoke, that's for the video training and software. $9.97 just for the training. OTO number 1, $27, and this will be additional case studies. OTO number 2, we have $37, and this is a massive done for you pack. OTO number 3, $197, and this is a reseller's license to not only Commission Hotshot but a total of 6 products. Okay, so you're getting 100% commissions on a total of 6 funnels. OTO number 4, $147, this is a W's of the day pack where you're getting 45 plus W's of the day awarded products. OTO number 5, we have additional advanced training where we show you how to get traffic with 3 additional sources, that's $47. And OTO number 6, 3 additional pieces of software for $27. Guys, this is the proof again. I made $789.80, and essentially it took me around an hour to set all of this up. Once it gets rolling, you know, it's passive income, so it works for you 24/7, super easy. And again, you can start without creating any content. You essentially follow the step-by-step formula that I show you, and you're gonna make money this way, almost guaranteed. Okay, so guys, if you want to win a free copy right now, all you have to do is, if you're watching on YouTube, like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell for notifications. Okay, so do these 4 things, and what I'm going to do is pick 10% of the people that did these 4 things, and these 10% of the people will be winners. So if 100 people will do these 4 things, so again, like, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell, out of 100 people, 10% will be winners, so 10 people will be awarded a free copy, and I will be announcing the winners 5 minutes before Commission Hotshot goes live. Okay, so Commission Hotshot actually goes live on Friday the 21st of February at 9 AM Eastern, so at 8:55 AM I'm going to announce winners on my blog. Okay, and if you're watching on YouTube right now, you should have both the links to the early bird sales page and also to the winners to my blog. Okay, so check it out. Do these 4 things again, so like, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell. If you want, when you can still get in on the early bird discount, because we're gonna have a massive early bird, and even for $13, you know, what you're getting is an amazing strategy that can make you hundreds of dollars. It's a rinse and repeat, so essentially each time you need money, you can just repeat the same process and make money over and over and over again every single day, and it will only grow. Okay, so guys, I'm super proud of this case study strategy and the whole video training and software. Pick it up, grab a free copy if you want. Again, pick it up with the early bird discount. It's really worth your time and your investment. You will make 10x, 100x your investment back if you will take action, obviously. And again, I'm super proud of it. So Commission Hotshot, again, do these 4 things to win a free copy, and Commission Hotshot goes live on the 21st of February. That's a Friday at 9 AM Eastern. I will see you there. Ciao.